Domino and its partner launched its delivery robot, Nuro, in Boston. More specifically, in Boston, a very specific residential area. And it's a delivery robot that's completely self-driving and deliver your pizzas. That's amazing. Like, it feels like we're living in the future. This robot is Nuro's R2 robot. It has launched a partnership with Domino in 2019. And the interesting thing is how the whole things work. It's basically you order your pizza from Domino, and you will use this robot to deliver things to you. And in the process of delivering, you can request their position, the radar, 360 cameras information to know where your pizza is and how it is doing. So that's kind of cool, and also to ensure the customer's experience, because you want to know where it is, and is it like going the wrong way or right way, because it's basically very new technology. This food delivery by robots, I haven't been done before. It's really a pioneer. And in terms of a pioneer, Domino is really always like in the leading position in this kind of innovation. You probably heard of like Domino did a lot of like a revolution previously. Like a lot of people going online to order things, and Domino also started to research their online ordering system, and they built, and it's quite good. And they also built their own delivery system. It's now a super valuable business, part of their business. By the way, how did you get your pizza? Because if this robot then just get a pizza and delivery, everyone can get basically steal it, right? So that's actually very unsafe, especially this food. So that's actually, you couldn't really just get your pizza. You need to enter your PIN number to get your pizza. That's a extra layer of security. I think that's very important for like this kind of robot delivery, because if the human delivery your robots, other people couldn't like get your pizzas. But if this robot, this kind of is, especially this kind of unoffensive robots, it's very easy to be like stop or attacked by other people, right? That's why they have like cameras, and also have extra lock that you need to enter your PIN to access your pizza. So that's the Domino's Nuro R2 robot for delivery, self-driving delivery robot. This thing's really coming, and it's just like now it's experimental stages. Imagine in the future, if they really launch these robots at scale, they will change people's life. Also, delivery people at Domino. Definitely, I will also need to emphasize again. Now it launched in the residential area. It's relatively easy. It's basically quite easy for technology that we have now, because if you ever live in the North America, then residential areas traffic is super low, and the cars, the bicycles, everything drives there. It's very slow. It's really not difficult for self-driving robots to navigate in that kind of situation. What will be more challenging is if you really deliver these things in cities, and I think that's also where the demands are. If you really want to launch this kind of self-driving delivery robots, you effectively at scale, you need to overcome the city environment, which is very hard because the traffic, everything is very unpredictable in the city. How these robots can work in the city, that's maybe there's another 5-10 years. So we don't know. And in terms of the difficulty, I definitely think there will at least be 10 years gap, if maybe 5 years, but I think conservatively I would say 10 years. So that's some information that you may want to know. And if you would like to receive more technology analysis, trends analysis like this, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription is really my best encouragement to make more videos like this. Other than that, I will see you next time.